Hi besties. So about the video that I posted yesterday, most people are saying that I am overfeeding him, but the truth is that he's having cough. And I don't think that I'm the only one that once your baby is having cough, after feeding him, if he coughs, there's high chance that they might vomit what they ate. This is a small plate for babies, and before the cough, he finishes it and still asks for more. So please, I wasn't overfeeding him. It just happened. Here I'm done bathing him. At least let him sleep and rest.